Sweet Past Explained, Mastering English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, sweet past. This phrase may seem simple, but it's packed with meaning and is commonly used in various contexts. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it effectively in your daily conversations. Sweet past is an idiomatic expression in English. At its core, it refers to moving quickly and smoothly past something or someone. The word sweep here paints a picture of a swift, graceful motion, much like a brush moving smoothly over a surface. When we use this phrase, it's often to describe someone or something that moves with speed and ease, bypassing others or obstacles without any hindrance. To help you grasp the concept better, let's look at some examples. 1. In sports, the runner swept past her competitors, taking the lead. 2. In daily life, she swept past the crowd, making her way to the front of the line. 3. Metaphorical use. Time swept past, and before we knew it, the day was over. Notice how in each instance, the phrase conveys a sense of swift and effortless movement. While using sweet past, there are a couple of common mistakes to watch out for. Do not confuse with sweep away. Sweep away has a different meaning, often implying removing or getting rid of something. Context is key. Ensure the situation involves movement or progression. It wouldn't make sense in a static or unmoving context. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of the phrase, sweet past. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances of phrases and how they fit into different contexts. We hope this video helps you confidently use sweet past in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to sweep past language barriers on your journey to mastering English. See you in the next video.